So today's video starts the night before. We had a very interesting event happen here. I'm going to share it with you. Okay, so you don't go in the back now and eat the lettuce. You come up and you eat all of Grammy's stuff. Look at that. So guess where we're going to go? We're going to take you down to Giants Stadium and give you a season ticket. And you get to hang out with all the other groundhogs that play for the Jets and the Giants. Don't eat the cage. Jeez. First, we'll make sure the fish are all fed. We have had a great evening so far here. Now, you would think these guys would learn their lesson. Now look, we put electronic stuff back there so they don't go in the back of the garden. They come in the front of the garden where there's all electronic stuff. I can't afford to buy any more electronic stuff, so now you got a choice. You can play for the Jets or you can play for the Giants. Take your pick. Jets, Giants, Jets, Giants, Jets, Giants. I think he wants to play for the Jets. Now you would think here every day we have an adventure. I can't put those electronic things all throughout the garden, but we have them in the back by the vegetables, and they do a great job, but it looks like we're going to have to put them all over the property here. This guy's eating whatever the hell he's eating here. He's up here getting caught in a trap. So why don't we sit here and have a cup of coffee and discuss this. Now look, I plant this nice garden with Grammy, and you and your relatives, and I don't know, are they all, they're all relatives. You come up here and you eat all her lettuce. It's her tender young lettuce that you like. I'm tender and I'm young and you don't even like me. But listen, it's not bad at the Meadowlands. It's an animal sanctuary. And we're going to take a nice ride there after supper. And you get to be with a lot of your friends, because everybody in the neighborhood's been bringing you down by Giants Stadium lately. We don't like Groundhog Day here. We do not like, I know, maybe you don't like People Day. What's going on here? So what we found works great to catch these little critters, and there's probably 1,000 of them more. What happens is, they like her tender lettuce, and they also like apples and peanut butter, and we're pretty successful at catching them and relocating them down to Giant Stadium. Okay, these are the zinnias that in Stacy's garden, and boy, they're doing great. Wow. Can't wait to taste that pie, made with my own tomato sauce. What could be better than a cup of coffee and some homegrown zinnias? Everybody knows I'm big in the kitchen, and I got to make my own homemade pizza tonight. Tomato sauce from our garden. And for our fridge, we've been giving stuff to the neighbors. We have so much. Look at these nice peppers. Okay, so what is this? This is all from our garden. It's tomato sauce that you made.
It's roasted tomato sauce.
And basil?
Basil and oregano.
All right. Oh, a totally homemade pizza. And the bread, where did we grow the wheat? Oh, we bought the wheat in the store. Okay, baby, supper's over. We're going to Meadowlands so you can be with your family. Again, Jets, Giants, Jets, Giants. We're only going to buy you one jersey. Look at this, it's still 90 degrees. It's like living by Ray Straub's house. Holy moly. We're going to go release the varmint. Okay, you see him? Okay. Don't get so red. You're going to be out of here in 1 second. In 1 second. Now just leave. Maybe he wants to go. Go! The door's open. Go! There he goes to his new house.
Where'd he go? Oh,
there he goes. So Miles, our grandson, learned a valuable lesson about how to treat animals. And, well, let's hope he did anyway. Anyway, tomorrow we're going to get up early and get out on the open road. The great groundhog adventure continues. Well, the day didn't be anything but what we originally thought it was going to be. It's getting hotter by the minute. Hot, hot, hot. Well, we're here nice and early this morning, and the usual suspects are starting to roll in, but you never know how a day's going to play out. It is so hot already. It's amazing. You never know how it's going to play out. So it looks like Pokey's really having fun with his V85 TT. Oh, they're all out this morning. Look at this. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, 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 hey. You could be on a windy video for $5. Pay me now. Hey. Tire spinning Donnie. He was spinning the back tire last time. Monkey. We need some entertainment value. Come on, Donnie.
We need a wheelie, Donnie.
Wheelie, wheelie, wheelie. All right, here we go. Back tire burnout. Back tire burnout. There we go. Only on windy video. Whoa! Oh, I feel so manly. I knew he'd be late to the party. You know, you can always tell when a guy has got a lot of money. Hey! Spending his check from the government wisely at the Ducati dealer. No. My hairdo's better than yours, though. Look, this is a professional. I didn't do this myself.
You can't become a professional wrestler now. I'm sorry.
Oh, there goes my wrestling career.
Listen, I gotta eat. I haven't had.
Oh, I eat at home.
I stay away from. I go Dutchess County, way up like Amenia, going up to Pine Plains. You know,
A white truck, right? Yeah.
I like my bullet holes.
I like your muffler.
I think it's best kept secret. You know,
That's nice.
I've always had.
Can you start it? Let me hear what it sounds like from the back.
nice looking pipe.
That is. They come from England?
The pipes, yeah.
Yeah, I'm getting ready to put a new pipe on my FCR. So
You go with the, what was I looking at? The Aquapovic or whatever. They're like stupid money. I think they wanted
Did you forget how to ride?
Dude, I've seen guys tell me it's that quick. I've seen guys with titanium exhaust system. I can't imagine.
yeah, that's my kind of sound. I like it. That's why I like my FCR to sound like this.
An S1000R caliper.
The calipers are too small. You know,
No, you have.
You know what happens? Somebody's going to come along and put a real bullet hole and he's going to say, look at that decal. How realistic is that? Oh, he's got another. This guy must be a criminal. I ain't going to screw around with him. He's a criminal with shitty brakes.
Stay out of Patterson, New Jersey.
Yeah, stay out of Patterson. You'll have real bullet holes in here.
I know. Yeah,
Oh,
Ride my
man.
boys. Right along the tracks, that one?
No. You're coming down 17 south onto Midland Avenue.
Look how bright these lights are. Hey, don't tell me they cost more than $19.
Those are LEDs.
Yeah, I know they're really, but how much did you pay for them? If I'm not so...
Chinese.
How much? They're $10. I know. I got a pair on my bike too. It's always great to hang out with guys with a lot of money. That's for sure.
I never heard
And then
that
there's
song.
Pokey. There's our group, the No Money Motorcycle group. Whoa, that sounds great.
I never heard that muffler.
And we're back from the ride, and the lovely Mrs. Ertnowski is making us a giant gallon container of iced coffee. And boy, it did get hot. There's no doubt. This is definitely going down as one of the hottest days of the year. We were cooking. I've been looking to get this guy on video for a long time. This is our friendly baby rabbit who lives in the backyard. And along with the groundhog, eats all the lettuce. Look at this guy. He eats my grass. Why do I even need a lawnmower? Look at this. We're animal friendly. He is a cute little guy. Unbelievable. And just watch where he goes. Come on. We know where you're hiding. You don't have me fooled. You're a rabbit. There goes the next one of Karen's plants. Tomorrow, they'll be eaten. We are animal friendly though. So we had a really good ride. I'm really happy the way the day played out, and well, I'm always happy any day I get home and I don't have any problems with the bike or any problems with me, any mental problems. Anyway, hope you did enjoy the video, and I don't want to ever forget to thank. Do you think I'm getting old? I'm getting senile. I don't want to ever forget to thank the healthcare workers that made this summer possible. Thank you for making my life possible. Thank you so much, guys. And I hope I get over this Alzheimer's disease sooner than later. Hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.